He's got something, doesn't he? It looks like a rabbit.
Probably has like a rabbit. Yeah, that's a cottontail.
Wow.
He's got a cottontail rabbit.
This would be quite the shot, an elk crossing a frozen lake.
Frozen lake, yeah.
Where's the porcupine?
It's right up there, right up above you. He's right up in there.
I had no idea porcupines climb trees like that.
Yep.
He's way up high.
I saw the quills popping out. I was like, oh, there's a porcupine. Scrubbing himself. Doublemint gum.
Turn at the same time.
He made a.
A double great feeling, making you realize double is the one for you. Double fresh, double smooth, double delicious to chew. A double pleasure is
Yours?
Turn it off for 2
Are they
seconds.
decoys?
I think they're decoys. They are such twins.
You guys decoys?
You guys brothers?